40 cyclotron LEDs, 20 cyclotron LEDs, 12 cyclotron LEDs, 13 power cell LEDs, 15 power cell LEDs, 12 inner cyclotron LEDs, 23 inner cyclotron LEDs, 24 inner cyclotron LEDs, 35 inner cyclotron LEDs, GRB inner cyclotron LEDs, RGB inner cyclotron LEDs. Saving settings. Forty cyclotron LEDs, 13 power cell LEDs, 12 inner cyclotron GRB inner cyclotron LEDs. Saving settings. Clearing the EEPROM. Twenty cyclotron LEDs, 12 cyclotron LEDs, 15 power cell LEDs, 23 inner cyclotron, 24 inner cyclotron, 35 inner cyclotron LEDs, RGB inner cyclotron LEDs. Saving settings.